students, your topic for today is growth of white collar crime. In this topic, we will see why there is a growth in white collar crime. So, due to the greed, competition, and lack of proper laws, it has become very difficult to prevent uh, happening of a white collar crime, and these are the major reasons behind why white collar crime is growing so much in India. So, when you talk about greed is a nature of a man, that a man is greedy, and the father of modern political philosophy like Machiavelli strongly believed that men are greedy and men by nature are greedy. He said that man can sooner and easily forget the death of his father than the loss of his inheritance. तो उसने ये बोला है कि if there is an inheritance, that loss is more difficult to be forgotten than death of a father. So that's why man is greedy, and the same is true in the case of the commission of white collar crime. Why will a man of high social status and importance, who is so financially secure, would like to commit such a crime? If if that person is committing such kind of crime, who has a financial security, that means that person is greedy. Now, easy, swift, and prolonged effect. The rapid growing in the technology, in the business, in the political pressure has introduced the criminals with new ways of committing white collar crime. And technology has made it very easier also to inflict harm and cause loss to other persons. Also, the cost of such crimes is much more than the other crimes like murder, robbery, burglary, and so the victim would take time to recover from it. This would cut down the competition. Now, competition, Herbert Spencer, after reading On the Origin of Species by Darwin, coined a phrase that evolution means survival of the fittest. So, competition raises from this only, survival of the fittest. This implies that there will always be a competition between the species, and the best person to adapt himself to the circumstances and conditions would survive. Then comes the lack of stringent laws. So, since most of these crimes are facilitated by the internet and digital methods of transfer payments, laws seem to be reluctant to pursue these cases as investigating and tracking becomes very difficult, and it is a complicated job. And it is difficult to track because usually these are committed in the privacy of a home or office, thereby which has no eyewitness to it. Now, lack of awareness. The nature of white collar crime is different from the conventional nature of crimes, and most people are not even aware of it, and they fail to understand that they are the worst victims of crime. Now, necessity. So people also commit white collar crimes to meet their own needs and needs of their family, but the most important thing that people of high state social status want to feed is their ego. So their ego is their necessity with such kind of people. So the reason behind white collar criminals going unpunished is because legislators and people who are implementing the laws belong to the same class to which these occupational criminals belong. Then the police put in less effort in investigating these kind of crimes, as it is very exhausting and hard, and often this baffling searches fail to promise favorable results. It is very difficult to have favorable results in these kind of investigations. Laws are such that it only favors occupational criminals. The judiciary has always been criticized for its delayed judgment. Sometimes it so happens that by the time court delivers the judgment, the accused had already expired. This makes the criminal lose in committing crimes. While white collar crimes are increasing at a faster rate, the judiciary must increase its pace of delivering judgment so that the criminals don't lose the side of committing this kind of crimes? Thank you so much.